3 remaining in naturally aspirated. Just go to gross Google, you will bring them all back.
Final round, here we go. See what happens.
Stops at 544, 130 takes it. Maxon 729 at 95. Turbo Timmy, your winner in Shootout.